Dow Jones and Nasdaq has seen a good drop earlier in the day, and yes, it failed to break past 33,900 levels. I told you in the morning analysis with the Asia session that this is going to be a very good strong support, but yes, you can take a sell entry at 34,000 levels. Now it is again trading in the same zone. At the same time, US100 has also seen a little drop till towards 12,030 levels, but since then, now again it is trying to trade bullish and trading about 12,100. So now what to expect? Yes, it is going to be an important day. The world is waiting for the interest rate hike decision from the US, which modestly probably might be in a 0.25 range. Also, the next thing which everyone is awaiting for the direction, and also uh, the post meeting statement by Fed Chair Powell. So yes, remember, if you think that it is risky, please do not trade. Do not try to board a running train, and do not try to catch a falling knife. Remember these two rules and definitely you can profit. Yes, markets may always give you an opportunity when you think that there is going to be an extra volatility. Trade always with a trailing stop loss, which always limits your risk and always helps you in trading or preventing your capital and preserving your capital. Trade accordingly. Let's start. First, we'll look into Nasdaq 100, followed with Dow Jones, and in the end, we will see which direction we are willing to take here. Now, look at the hourly charts on Tech 100 here. Now, on the hourly charts, one can clearly see higher lows are seen, and then if you connect the dots, if you draw a parallel here, you will simply find higher highs. Now, higher highs, which means that 12,200 180 levels can be expected today itself, and in fact, it can trade below 12,200. So, till the time it trades about 12,030 levels, which is rather I will say 12,050. Yes, you can sell at 12,050, expect 12,000 levels, and below that further drop can be expected. Now remember, I have told you yesterday also, I am telling you again, 11,950, 12,000 is a very strong support zone, and then till 11,900, Nasdaq 100 has a very good support. Now see, I told you another observation on the hourly charts. US100 has been trading in this channel, and now you can see the highs of this channel are at 12,500 levels, which possibly may get achieved. There is a possibility exists for this. Now look at the direction moment. This is divergent and bullish. The stochastic has seen a little drop, now trying to retrace again. Now see what it is trying to do on the early charts is just a consolidation, and a breakout is awaited. Now see, the MACD is trying to converge crossover, and it is fairly trading without, or you can say parallel and without any direction. RSI is trying to look upwards here, indicating little bullishness. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts also similar is the observation. Two big green candles, sideways bullish movement, and now this candle may in fact take it till towards 12,150 levels, and if you see it trading about 12,200, certainly more bullish momentum might be seen, and then you can expect 12,300 and 400 levels. Now if you look at the 2-hour charts also, similar is the observation, nothing different. How beautiful it has managed these cycles, and now you can see it is on the up wave again. Direction movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic has seen a little retracement, now trying to look downwards. The MACD is in green, trading with little divergence and trading with little bullish bias. The RSI is trying to look upwards, showing the strength there. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. But remember, it does not mean that if it is trading bullish, it may continue to do so. Yes, there could be a possible break. If it trades below 11,900 levels, certainly you can expect 11,800, and below that we may see a very good drop also. Direction movement divergent and bullish. The stochastic has seen a little rise and now trying to consolidate, as trading with a modest drop. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with little divergence. This is trading bullish. On the 3-hour charts, the RSI is trying to look upwards, showing the strength there. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation. Rise, retracement, rise again. Higher highs means 12,400, 12,500 levels. Also look at the 4-hour charts very clearly. Higher lows are seen, hence below 12,050 you can sell, but then expect 12,000 and 11,980 levels first target, then 11,950, 940 as the next target, and below that 11,900. Only and only if it breaks below 11,900 you can confirm for a little more bearishness. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is trying to cross over again for the buy entry here. and the RSI is trading flat with a slight positive bias. Now look at the daily charts. First thing on the daily chart, see it has broken this streak. It was trading with this lower lows, lower highs. It is trying to look upwards. Now certainly about 12,100, it can take it till towards 12,150, and once it breaks beyond 12,200 and 250, certainly one can expect 12,400 levels also. At the same time, trading below 12,050, you can expect further drop which might take it on the downside for 11,900 level. Remember, 11,900 is a very strong support for the day, and below which you can expect 11,800. Below that, consider this for a sharp drop. Now on the upside, what it is trying to look forward, see on the daily charts also, this is trading beautifully in this bullish channel, and now it is looking upwards till towards 12,400, 12,500 levels if it continues to trade bullish from here. See the directional movement, moderately bullish. The stochastic has seen a little drop after trading overbought for a little time. The MACD is in green and it is trading, trying to converge here. RSI has seen a little drop. It has come out of the oversold zone. Now look at the weekly chart. See on the weekly charts, higher lows certainly we have seen, higher highs certainly we have seen. So once it trades beyond 12,200, certainly we can expect 12,500 levels in this week itself. Now also one must observe that it has formed a good tail for the week, and now it is trying to trade bullish. Probably we can see 12,400, 12,500 if and only if it trades about 12,250 levels. First thing is, yes, you can remain long about 12,100 levels. Expect 12,150, 12,200 and then 12,250. Once it breaks beyond 12,250, certainly stay long for 12,400 and 500 levels within this week itself. Directional movement bullish, stochastic has come to overbought levels, the MACD divergent in bullish, and the RSI is trading flat. Remember, the MACD is at sub-zero levels, and hence little more bullishness can be seen. Now also let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly chart, see the previous four candles, higher lows, higher highs. This previous candle was almost with a flat top, and hence it has to break past 12,250 levels in order to achieve 12,400, 500 first target, and then in fact we can see it breaking past 13,000 levels. Now also remember, three candles here, two green, one retracement, and one completely, you can say, engulfing candle, and now it is trying to break past on the upside. Now also look at this candle has opened above this. Certainly we can expect little more bullishness which might take it for 12,500, 12,600 and 13,000 levels in this month itself. Hence probably one can stay long with caution. Also it can bring good swings also, hence trade with caution. Directional movement here is bearish, stochastic rising from the oversold zone, MACD is trying to converge, RSI trading flat. Considering this, one can remain long about 12,120 levels. Now I am changing or increasing 20 points here. Above 120 you can expect 150, 200 and then 250. Once you see trading about 250, stay long for 12,400 and 500 levels in this week itself. On the downside, first support, yes, you can sell here at 12,040 levels, expect 12,000 and 11,950, 940 first, second target, and then 11,900. Only and only if it breaks below 11,900, we may see a little more bearishness, taking it till towards 11,840 and 11,800 levels, breaking below which certainly more bearishness can be seen, and this month can bring the bears out there, sharp bears. Hence you should trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch going to start on 6th of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at US30 on the hourly charts. See rise. See, this zone is important here at 33,700 levels. Only and only if you see it trading below 33,700, you can confirm for the bearishness which might take it for 33,500 levels again. Now see, reversal indication, bullishness. See the slope there. When you see the sharp slope and a modest slope and a reversal, it means that it is still got the bullishness. And yes, you can sell here. If you see it trading below 33,880 levels, you can sell. Expect 33,850. See, this is the bottom line here, 33,840, 850, and if it breaks this, certainly more bearishness might take it for 33,800 and 750. 750 is a very good support. 700 is the next strongest support. Below that, it may try to trade more bearish. Now see on the hourly chart, see this is one channel, then slight bearishness, Then this is next channel. This is still a bullish channel and it can probably take it above 34,200, 34,400 levels. Now look at the directional movement. This is bullish here. The stochastic rising from the oversold zone. The MACD is still bearish and it is trying to converge here. RSI trading flat. On the hourly chart, the MACD is still bearish. Remember this fact. Now look at the 2-hour charts. And as I told you, see till I told you in this weekly analysis also and daily analysis also multiple times I have told I will not consider US30 as bearish till the time it breaks below 33,200 and then 33,000 levels. Now what it is trying to do is sharp drop and a possible bullish channel or a retracement channel, and once it breaks past this high certainly more bullishness will be seen. Now see on the 2-hour chart this is still a bullish channel, and once it takes about 34,200 consider it for a rise till 34,400 500 levels. Directional movement is bullish here. Stochastic has seen a good drop and now has come back to oversold zone. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI has seen a little drop. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, likewise on the 3-hour charts, 3 strong bullish candles here and then a retracement, and possibly once it trades out, it trades beyond the zone at 34,040. You can buy here, expect 34,100 first target, 34,200 next, and in fact we can see 34,400 levels. So yes, you can buy at 34,050 levels now. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic has seen a little drop. The MACD is in green, however trying to converge. The RSI has seen a little drop. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts likewise see the rise, retracement and a rise again. So it is trying to retrace a bit and possibly once it breaks out it can achieve the highs of this channel which is now at 34,500 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is overbought and looking downwards. The MACD is in green here and the RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now see on the daily charts, higher lows are consistently seen, higher highs are seen, and this is the next peak here. But this peak has to break past this zone at 34,500 levels and 35,000 levels. On the daily charts, lower highs are seen here and hence 34,050, 34,100, these two levels are seen, and then I will look forward to 34,200. If this zone between 34,100 and 34,200 is broken, then nobody can stop till 34,500 levels. Now if you look at the rise, retracement and a rise here again, and possibly if it continues to trade bullish from here, possibly it can achieve the further highs till towards 34,500, 35,000 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic has seen a little drop. The MACD at bottom trying to trade bullish here. RSI trading flat. This is on the daily charts, and if you look at the weekly charts also, now see on the weekly chart, see the candle is giving lower highs so far, but yes, it has formed a tail. Higher lows are done, lower highs are done. Let it break past 34,400, 300 zone, then sky is the limit. We may see 34,500, 650 levels and then 35,000 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is seen at comfortable levels, neither overbought nor oversold. The MACD is in green, trying to trade with a little divergence. RSI trading with a little bullish bias. Now look at the monthly charts also. On the monthly charts, most importantly, 2 green candles and consolidation candles, and this candle trying to break out. Higher lows, lower highs are seen. Now if you see it trading certainly about 34,200, possibly 34,500, and then we can see exceptionally bullish candle here on US30. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic overbought. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover. RSI trading flat here. Considering this, you can buy at 34,050 and sell at 33,900 levels. In between these 150 points, I will not recommend you to trade. On the downside, 33,840, 33,800 is the first target, and then 33,750, 700. Remember, 33,700 is a very strong support level, below which certainly more bearishness can be expected. Above 34,100, yes, it may achieve 34,200, and beyond that only it is going to trade bullish. In between 33,700, 34,200, you have to trade with extra caution and a typical trading trailing stop loss. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do join my membership batch. Do join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.